Hi, in this video I'll be showing how to solve present value of continuous payments and increasing decreasing annuities, how to write mathematically on MS Word. I will solve two questions which are past year questions of a total of 5 marks. I personally took 7 minutes to type this in Word. So if you calculate for a 100-mark paper, you can complete the paper in 2 hours 20 minutes. Okay, so you'll have ample time for your completion of paper given this speed, and speed will come only when you practice. Initially you will take time on writing on MS Word, but with practice you can gain speed and maybe you can type faster than this. Okay, the speed will depend on student to student, but yes, it is very much doable for a 3-hour paper, for a 3-hour 15 minutes paper. And obviously the paper, I am talking about a complete mathematical paper, and obviously the paper does not contain a 100-mark entire mathematical paper. So a paper like CM1 is also doable on Word. Okay, so let's start. As delta t is a function of time, and at any time t measured in years is given by the formula delta t equal to 0.05 plus 0.002 t. Calculate the present value of an annuity that is paid continuously at a rate of 30 e to the power minus 0.01 plus 0.001 t square units per annum from t equal to 3 to t equal to 10. Okay, so first we calculate the present value at time 3 and then we calculated present value at time 0. So first, present value at time 3. So when you write present value at time 3, you write it in subscript. So you can find the subscript option here. Okay, you can click here, write 3 and click back again and it will come to normal. Or you can use the shortcut key, which is control equals to, write 3, press control equals to again and write it in normal language. So this is its present value at time 3. Then we have the insert equation. So you find insert equation here, insert tab, and here you find the equation. Okay, so you get insert equation, and there are a lot of series which you can see are here to write your equation. I am not currently, wherever required we will only use this. I am showing you the shortcut to write this. Okay, so firstly insert equation shortcut is alt equal to. Alt equals to inserts your equation. Now inside this I am writing a backslash sign, an int, backslash sign and int, space gives you the integration sign. Now to get the limits of integration, you write underscore 3 to t or 3 to 10 in this case. Okay, and then give a space. So automatically the limits will get generated. Then 30, okay, is my year, and e to the power minus 0.01. I am not copying from above because in the question paper you will not be able to copy these. So I'll write this again. So 30 and you write e to the power, since you have to write it in power, and then put a bracket, write minus 0.01 plus whatever you need plus 0.001 t square. Close the bracket. See, automatically it goes up, and to get this in to get e to the power of this, put a space. Automatically this will go to your numerator, to the superscript. Okay, and then give a space, and next part which you write of a payment scheme is again e to the power. So e to the power, give a bracket. You have to give get a minus sign and then the integration sign. So this is my minus sign and I have to get the integration sign. So minus of integration, which is int, okay, and space, and then subscript. I want it from 3 to t, so this becomes a 3 to t, and then I write my 0.05 u plus 0.002 u du. Okay, this is the entire thing. Okay, and now see this blue highlighted part which you'll be able to see. You need to come out of that when the entire thing is highlighted. Close this bracket, put a space. See, the entire thing goes to the power. Okay, and then we have to give a dt out of for the entire thing. So this is my dt. This is how you write your equation for the integral. Okay, and now solving this integral I will show you. So now to solve this integral, first we have to solve the second part. Okay, so now for the second part, please now start copying. Okay, start copying the equation. So we copied. Now what part we don't need is this part, which we need to change here, where we have solved the integral. So I'll just remove that part, and now I have to do exp. Okay, and now I am solving. So for solving I need brackets. Now for brackets there is no direct way, so what we'll do, we'll go to insert equation, and you can see, since we have to write our limits, you will see this form of equation here. Insert this equation. Okay, now here minus you can put, then you put your square brackets, open and close. Okay, put your equation 0.05 u plus 0.001 u square, and then your limits tends from 3 to t dt. Okay, so this is my first part which I have solved. This is entirely in the e to the power thing with a minus, and your brackets close here. Okay, and now the second line we come again, solve equals to, again please paste this. You have already copied it, so you need to paste. So when you paste this, now this part you can remove this part, just removing this entire thing, e to the power, and I'll write minus 0.05 into t minus 3 plus 0.001. You have t square minus 9, and I close this, and the entire bracket close here. Okay, the brackets close and dt. And next line again you solve this. Once you solve this in calculator, you get this equation as, I'm just inserting equation so that my format remains same, 30 e to the power 0.159. Okay, and then integration part, which is I'll just write the integration part, which is int 3 to 10, and then it is e to the power minus 0.06 t. Once you solve this, you get this. Okay, and dt. This is the part which you get after writing. And then 30. Now you can copy from the above. Please start copying. So once you get this here, so this is my equation, and then when I solve this again, I need to insert my bracket. So I have to use here. So this, and then I write e to the power minus 0.06 t space divided by space. Now you see I've come in the fraction form, minus 0.06, and you close your brackets, and so your bracket has now limits from 3 to 10. Okay, so I'm moving the cursor to come to the areas. So you can move your cursors like this wherever you want to come, in the superscript, in the subscript, and so on. Okay, and then equals to, you solve it in your calculator, and please get the answer, which is equal to 167.913. So this brings your present value at time 3. Now to get present value at time 0, again I write PV, you press control equals to 0, subscript becomes now normal. Okay, and then 167.913. Again alt equals to, will insert an equation. I write e to the power, I then write minus bracket integer, and then 0 underscore 0 to 3. So this becomes my limit, and then 0.05 plus 0.002 t dt, and then when I am inside this, I close and I press a space. So now this becomes my power of dt, which I actually need, and then you solve this. In the power you get 167.913 all 167.913 suddenly alt equals to, and then you write e to the power. Again those brackets I will need to put my limits, so I'll take those brackets, minus of, I'm putting a open a close bracket together, 0.05t plus 0.001 t square and 0 to 3. Okay, and then I close a bracket here. So close a bracket and press. Okay, so this is inside this, and once you solve this in your calculator you get 167.913. again alt equals to e to the power, you get minus 0.159, okay, which is this value, and then you can solve it to and get 143.229. So this is your one entire question of values. So it is not that it is impossible to type, you just need to know the relevant shortcuts to write your integrations and your annuity factors, and you know it. Okay, let's do this next question. Calculate at a rate of interest of 5% per annum effective the present value. So this is just a mistake. Present value of an annuity that is paid annually in advance for 10 years with a payment of 12 in first year, 11 in the second year, and thereby reducing for each thereby reducing by 1 each year. So your equation for present value will become what? 12. So I'll just insert the equation format, becomes easy. 12 plus 11v plus 10v square. Okay, and always press a space so that you get the format. Plus dot 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 dot, and it goes on, plus what last value will be 3v to the power 9. Okay, and this brings your equation. Now if I break this becomes nothing, but if you write it directly in our terms, this is 13 ADU 10. So you have written 13. You go to your insert equation, you will see this ADU sign here. So please use the second one. This is the due factor sign which you can see, and I insert this. Okay, and once you insert this you can also use this, but can you see this is shifted? Okay, once if I need a subscript also, then this will shift. So what you need to do is first insert your subscript and then go to ADUN and then insert the second one. Okay, once you get the second one, write ADU. Okay, now come to this. For this you need to have this bar sign on top. So this is the bar sign which is there. I'll just show you the bar sign again. It is the 10th value from here. So you can select this bar and then N, you can write it here N, and give a pipe, the next pipe, which is, it is on the top of your enter key in the keyboard. Okay, and then minus, and then we have the I ADU sign. So I'll write I and again insert ADU sign. Okay, but again then first you need what? A subscript. So I'll just insert my subscript here first, then I read I. Okay, and then I need what? A more of a ADU sign, which is ADU, and I can close these brackets here the way we do in theory, and then again go to the 10 symbol, write IADU 10 and give the pipe sign. Okay, this will come with practice, you can do, and you will get this. So once it's here, now you can write 13. Again insert equation, becomes easy when you write 13 into, then you can have your 1 minus 1 point, the solving, since it's at 5% per annum. We'll just solve it for you. So 1 minus we have 1.05 to the power minus 10. Okay, and the whole thing divided by, so this come in the numerator and the other part in the denominator we are writing 1.05 to the power minus 1. Okay, and then you have minus, again next part of this, when we have to, this was the a due part which we have solved. Next part I have to solve ia due part is writing this entire thing again. So what we can do is we can just copy this entire part because this remains the same in ia due formula. Okay, with a bracket you can give because we need to have a denominator also. So this is there. Then you have minus 10 into 1.05 to the power minus 10, and this is there, and whole divided by, so see this is coming to numerator and this is denominator, you need to write 1 minus 1.05 to the power minus 1, and this is changed, and now you just need to solve. So we have written this, and now once you put the values in your calculator you get 13 into your 8.10782 minus 41.34247, and not skipping any steps, and we get 64.05921. So this is my answer for my present value. So you can see I've covered a due n, I have covered ia due n also, and we have done the integration sums also while explaining, and then we have completed this. So it's just basically you need to know your shortcuts, how to insert the equation, how to write fractions, when to put space, when to put your brackets, when to insert subscript, and when to know superscripts, and you will be done. Okay.